All right, now Sam's back. If you're wondering who I'm talking about, well, who doesn't remember sexy Sam from Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna? The long Singapore break where Mr. Bachchan helped nurse family friend Amar Singh seems to have done wonders for him too, as he looks very fresh and ready to face the lights again on film and television sets.
Mr. Bachchan, you made your debut in 1969. This is your 40th year in front of the camera. What are you hungry for now? What gets you excited?
Another role, please. Another film. What would I do sitting at home? No, I just feel that if my body is up to it, and if I can move, and if I can walk, and if I can speak, I would like to be in front of the camera. I think that every day is a challenge, and every day we look for opportunities of wanting to do something different, if there is something different to do. And you hope that somebody will look at you and say, hey, I've got something for you. It's a great joy. It's a great thrill to shiver the night before you are about to appear for that character the next morning.
But do you still shiver?
Oh, yes, absolutely.
And you're not bored?
No, not at all. No. Well, I'll be getting into 68 in a few days. And to find that the gap between you and the average age on the set is about 40 years. So it's wonderful to be able to imbibe their enthusiasm and to see where they're going.
You had said in an interview to Time magazine that every actor has to reconcile himself to the day that he will be ignored.
Yes.
Do you see that day coming anytime soon for you, and are you reconciled?
Every day now, every day.
Really?
Oh yes, of course. There will be a time when you will not be noticed at all, when people will not recognize you, and that happens very often. But
They don't recognize you?
Yeah.
Already?
Or the level of recognition is not the same, which is equally damaging.
You have been called a perpetual pessimist, but you have withstood the slings of fortune for 40 years now, so isn't that cause for cheer?
Maybe I should continue to be one.
You think that's the magic? That's what's working?
No, it isn't. I just, this is like sitting in front of my wife and talking, because she keeps, hammering me on this point. You are so pessimistic about everything. But, I'm not a psychologist, so I really don't know. But I'm sure that there is some kind of a deep psychology behind something like this. That rather than go out and say, yeah, I'm definitely going to get there, I would rather say, I'm not so sure, but I'll try.
So you continue to see the glass as half empty?
Always. It's always a little less than half empty, as far as I'm concerned.
Tuba.com